I'm Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and in this video, I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of 15 by 8 inch wheels and 33 by 12.5 inch tires on a 2.5 to 4.5 lifted Sport or Sahara YJ. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. The combination of 15 by 8 inch wheels and 33 by 12.5 inch tires are a popular setup with owners that have a 2.5 to 4.5 inch lifted YJ, as you can see from these pictures provided by YJ owners. This setup will give you a more aggressive stance with taller and slightly wider tires than stock and still have room in the fender well. Customers running this setup are staying mainly on road with the light occasional off-roading. This wheel and tire combo will fit all Sport and Sahara YJs that have a 2.5 to 4.5 inch lift without needing to do any modifications. This setup is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving with light off-roading. It's free from rubbing any suspension components or the stock front bumper. In off-road situations, you will have enough clearance for light to mid-level off-roading, and where a lot of articulation is required, you may experience some rubbing, particularly if your lift kit is on the lower side of that 2.5 to 4.5 inch range. A few things to keep in mind when you are upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33 is that when driving on-road, the ride will feel a little more sluggish with the 33s when compared to your stock tires. At 60 miles per hour, your speedometer will also read about 10 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of this change to bigger tires. This is not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep that in mind when driving. This can also be easily corrected by swapping out your factory speedometer gear for a new one, which you can find right here on the site. We also recommend an alignment after you've installed those new wheels and tires. If you do purchase a set of wheels and tires from Extreme Terrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your YJ. On our wheel and tire pages, we have setups that you can have mounted, balanced, and shipped directly to you. Then all you need is a jack and a lug wrench, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of 15 by 8 inch wheels with 33 by 12.5 inch tires on a 2.5 to 4.5 lifted Sport and Sahara YJ is very popular with our customers and will give your YJ a more aggressive look with taller and slightly wider tires over your stock set. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product reviews and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.